salamat sa to ni ma'am. Sayang pagpangga o pagmahal sa iyong nanay, di ko hilak.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to please make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so
Salamat
imperfect.
sa naghatag
Si Ma'am Jai.
Di ko muhilak.
Di ko mahila. Kahila. Katawara.
From nanay. From nanay to nanay. To me. Dagang salamat sa naghatag ani si ma'am. Dagang salamat ma'am sa imong penelitihan. Magdahom. Di, murag umuhilak pero di ko muhilak. Salamat sa to ni ma'am. Sayang pagpangga o pagmahal sa iyong nanay, di ko hilak.